Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to fix black screen issue in your device Samsung M13 and F13. So if you're having any problem like white screen and grayscale screen in your device Samsung M13 and F13, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to fix white screen, black screen and grayscale screen issue in your device.